So today we're here at dBs Institute Bristol at our one-day conference, which is called Driven by Sound, Sonic Identities. And it is the culmination of a week-long of amazing events, panels, masterclasses, workshops that we run for our students, all about music and sound and game. And today the focus is on exploring sonic identities, and we've invited people from outside of dBs to come and see what we're all about.
I learned so much from being here. You know, if I can sort of give that back to other people as well and help inspire them, or maybe just, even just have like one little idea that they can implement into their practice and what they're doing, I think it feels really special actually.